Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and today I am giving you the basics on Rosh Hashanah. I am starting a new series called Jewish Kids from Scratch for anyone who's interested in raising their kids Jewish, but you need the basics or you just need to brush up a little bit. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and the bell so you get all the notifications about my new videos. And I will have so many links in the box below there to help you celebrate the holiday. I'm going to break this holiday down into 3 categories for you. What is it? How do we celebrate? And what do we eat? Rosh Hashanah is the Jewish New Year. As I sit here now, it is 2019 and we are celebrating the Jewish New Year of 5780. Our years started counting way before our secular calendar did. It is also known as the anniversary of the creation of the earth. And so as far as my kids are concerned, we treat this as happy birthday to the world. It is a big time holiday, right? It is the first of our 2 high holidays. It is a holiday that is mentioned in the Torah, and it is treated with a lot of celebration, but with a lot of introspection as well. There's always something beautiful about starting a fresh year, evaluating how you did the year before, making commitments to the next new year, and we'll be talking about that when it comes to Yom Kippur as well. We celebrate by wishing each other Happy New Year. I often send out Rosh Hashanah cards, especially if I've forgotten to send out Hanukkah cards. And it's a great way to get kids involved. Making cards is so much fun. We also wish each other a Happy New Year. The greetings that we say to each other this time of year are Shana Tova, Shana Tova, or Shana Tova Umetuka, which means have a sweet new year. You can also just say Happy New Year. If someone wishes you a Shana Tova Umetuka, you can say thank you, same to you. All of that stuff works. And a lot of people celebrate by going to temple. There are kind of 2 basic services at temple. There's an Erev service. That means the service that happens the night that the holiday starts. All Jewish holidays start at sundown. And so that's called the Erev service. And then there'll be a day service. If you are interested in attending high holiday services, reach out to the congregations around you. Sometimes, because these are the holidays that everyone comes out for, seats are limited and you have to make a donation to the temple. But there are also, especially if you have young families, plenty of organizations that have free services, and there are a lot of congregations that broadcast their services online. So if for whatever reason you're not able to physically make it to a service, you can still experience and hear those tunes by logging on. While you're at services, you're going to hear the shofar. The shofar is a ram's horn. Oh, I have it on this card here. It is a loud blast that you can kind of feel in your body. And that loud sound is supposed to wake you up. It's supposed to awaken all of your senses so that you are present in that moment to celebrate the joy of the holiday, to think about the year in the past and the year coming up. And it will be blown several times over the course of the high holidays, with a big crescendo, the biggest blast at the end of Yom Kippur. Well, and now, what do we eat? So, as I said, there is that blessing, Shana Tova Umetuka, have a sweet new year, and we have lots of symbolism in our Rosh Hashanah foods. The most traditional one, and the one that's associated most closely, is dipping apples in honey for a sweet new year. We also, honey cake is very traditional, and our challahs this time of year are round because of the year is circular. Our year goes around, and here we are again, right back at the beginning. I love this holiday. It is full of so much joy and so much promise of the year to come. I hope that you're able to celebrate it with your family in whatever way works for your family. Like I said, I have tons of links below of fun songs to watch with your family, cartoons for the kids, more learning for you, a challah recipe if you want it. I've got everything down there. I also have an email list, so go ahead and sign up for that. You'll get some of this stuff in an email just sent to you. You won't even have to go searching for it. And check out the other Rosh Hashanah videos I've got going on.